Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to edit viral videos in After Effects. This is part 2, and if you haven't seen first part, I would recommend you to watch from the beginning. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make this tornadoes, meteor strike and explosions in your video easy and quick. So, once you have dropped your videos, first what we are going to do is, go to Tracker and click on Track Motion. As I have mentioned already, I recommend you to watch part 1 to understand the tracking better. I have explained every tracking step deeply, so make sure you have watched first part 2. Let's make track point a bit bigger and move it somewhere in the background on a good contrasted spot. I will track this thing here. Click on Options now and make sure to select RGB, then enable Adapt feature on every frame. Now click here and select Stop Tracking and change it to 95%, then hit OK. Now click on Analyze Forward and let's wait until it's done. Once it's finished, create new null object. Click on Edit Target now and make sure to select the null we have created. Now click on Apply and then hit OK. Now we can drag and drop our footage with Tornado and others. I will leave download link for these footage in description. Let's begin with Tornado Twister. Enable 3D on it and then link Tornado to null. Now simply move this tornado where you want it to be. Let's duplicate tornado layer now and press S on your keyboard and make another one smaller and place it somewhere else. It looks cool to me. Let's now add a meteor strike footage. I will solo it for a while and adjust its position and rotation. Press S and make it smaller a bit so we can see it clearly. Enable 3D on it and I will change Z rotation and make it falling from the sky. Now scale it as much as you want and then unsolo meteor layer. Move it below tornado layer and position it where you want it to fall and then let's check it. In my case it's too slow, I will speed it up. Right click on meteor layer, then go to time and select time stretch. Set stretch factor to around 35. Let's check it again. That looks better now. Make sure to link it to null as well. If you are having this issue too, you can fix it by simply changing the rotation of the meteor strike. Or just move it below all tornado layers, but sometimes it doesn't help and you need to fix it by rotating it until it's fixed. Everything looks cool to me, but now I want my meteor to hit the ground and don't go anywhere else like in my case. To fix it, go to the moment where it hits the ground and then grab a rectangle tool and mask the ground like this. Now press F on your keyboard and add feather a bit to smooth the edges of the mask. Then make sure to select inverted and it's done. Meteor ends weirdly and we have to fix it too. Happiness is in details, so make sure to make everything look perfect. Go somewhere near to the end and press T on your keyboard to open opacity. Click on opacity stopwatch icon, then go to very end of meteor layer and change opacity to 0%. That's better, and now we can add another footage with explosion. Enable 3D on it and link it to null. Move explosion below tornadoes and then position it right where meteor falls. To fix this, rotate explosion a bit until it's fixed. Press S and make it smaller and then place it where meteor hits. Make sure to correct the timing of meteor and explosion. Let's make explosion faster as well. Set stretch factor to around 40. That looks better now. Finally, let's add one more footage with a whirling papers. Solo it and then link to null, enable 3D, then press S and scale it a bit. I don't like how whirling starts, so I will cut it somewhere from here. Let's check it. And that looks cool. Unsolo it now and let's make all the effects behind the car. Duplicate the video and move duplicated one above other layers. Rename it to Car Only. Now open Car Only layer settings, then open Motion Tracker and delete Tracker 1. Now select Roto Brush tool and double click on Car Only layer. Roto brush the car as smooth as possible. Once you are satisfied with it, click on Freeze button. As the freezing is done, go back to composition. Everything is cool, but I want whirling papers to be in front of the car. Move whirling layer above car only layer and it's ready. Let's quickly check it. Lastly, we can add shake effect. I will skip that part cause I have already made a shake tutorials. Also, I have created 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake preset. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.